Less than 2 years ago, two of the largest telecom service providers, MTN Uganda and Airtel, launched a credit service platform which allows their clients to borrow money using their mobile phone money accounts. This is the equivalent of taking a loan from a money lender or a commercial bank. Under the system, the customers could borrow microcredit loan facilities ranging from 3,000 to 1 million shillings. The interest rate ranges from 2% to 5%, depending on the amount of money borrowed. Members of the Parliamentary Committee on ICT have raised the red flag, saying this platform is largely unregulated and could mess up the financial sector.
And if anything happens, how does the Bank of Uganda get involved in the transaction or regulate the transaction? Because according to the Act in the Financial Bill, it's not at all indicating money lenders act.
How do you then allow mobile money to just come up with services that are not stipulated in your letters of no objection? There's no borrowing, but you've continued to see.
We have been frank that we are not regulating mobile money, money lenders, but as my colleague have all stated, our role.
Not that you're regulating money lenders,
we don't, and we are not going to regulate them.
You're encouraging money lenders on a platform which you created for a different purpose.
A platform, it's like a road. This road from here to Chitugum, you are not going to say that trailers are not, as long as you don't limit trailers, they will drive to Chitugum.
Why don't you limit the trailers?
We are not going to limit. No,
trailers.
It's a legal transaction, it's a legal platform, it's a legal product before regulated by Money Lenders Act. We will regulate those that are not legal. I'm very candid.
During a meeting with Bank of Uganda officials, the MPs said, unlike commercial banks, which the central bank regulates, money lending involving telecom companies is not directly regulated by Bank of Uganda. Under Section 11B of the Financial Institutions Act, Bank of Uganda is mandated to license financial institutions and approve products and services offered by the financial institutions. The committee tasked Justin Bajenda, the Executive Director Supervision in Bank of Uganda, to explain why the central bank had relegated its duties and failed to protect mobile money customers.
The money lender, just like the Minister of Education, would approach, or UNEB would approach Airtel and say, when we release exams, we want you to disseminate them to the candidates. It's the same way that, and we would not get involved in that because it's not within our mandate.
And the population is not aware that the money they get, for instance, from Wewole, is not from Airtel. Everybody think it's Airtel or MTN, but behind that, they are business people. For instance, we have money lenders who are using that platform through a particular teleco to lend money to people. And as a committee, we were concerned especially because of the rates. These people charge exorbitant rates.
Bajenda explained that Bank of Uganda does not regulate interest rates. It's left to the banks to decide in accordance with the market forces of demand and supply. The MPs also asked the officials why the financial sector regulator was not directly involved in checking financial transactions on the mobile phone platform, where at least 5 trillion shillings exchanges hands monthly in Uganda.
The rate at which technological advancements are coming on board, people are now talking of cryptocurrencies. If, as Bank of Uganda, they still don't have a regulatory framework and a legal regime to manage mobile money platform that has been in existence for the last 10 or so years, what about cryptocurrencies that are now the thing in the financial transaction?
That's why we need a national payment systems law to look at all payment service providers. We agreed last time, and we have still agreed, and that's why we have to work quickly with the legislators that when we bring this law into Parliament, let it be passed quickly.
The MPs were not impressed, saying the central bank officials were treating very serious matters of national interest in a casual manner.
Of course, I'm not satisfied, and that's why we remain behind as a committee to see how we can structure the report, because the report has to come clear of those glaring gaps and recommendations for Parliament to take a stand. If Bank of Uganda cannot give us the green light of what they are supposed to do.
How arrogant they are. They have no respect for anyone. They are from central bank, the highest regulatory authority for the banking sector, and so they are too big but I know we shall handle them.
Unlike neighboring countries like Kenya, Bank of Uganda has no clear regulations on e-money. Yet, over 18 million people are using mobile phones in Uganda today. Shirandu Uchire, NTV Parliament.